Managing the export and shading of painted hair can be very challenging when you need precise control across different applications. Ornatrix for Cinema 4D provides an ability to transfer custom hair colors directly into Unreal Engine using Vertex Color, something very useful to have when working with modified MetaHuman shaders. Here's how to do this. To export colored hair using Vertex Color, you first need to make sure you're painting within the Edit Guides modifier. Remember, this should be assigned after Hair From Guides. You also need to use a specific channel named Groom_color to paint your hair. Once you're done, select the top modifier or the entire object and go to File, Export Selected Object. Choose Ornatrix Alembic as the format. In the Export Settings window, it is essential to enable the Unreal Engine Export option. Turn that on, click OK, and your Alembic object is ready. Let's name it Groom_color_test. Now let's head over to Unreal Engine. Click Import to Current Folder and select your file. In the Import dialog, you should see that the color attribute is active. If the setup is correct, a dedicated attribute, color, will be available. For the transformation settings, set rotation X to -90, rotation Z to 180, and the scale to -1, then hit Import. After importing, drag the object into your scene. You'll need to assign a material that supports Vertex Color to the material slot. In my case, I'm using a modified MetaHuman shader. Simply drag the instance material into the slot. Within the material settings, make sure to enable Use Vertex and set the vertex blend to 1. This setup ensures everything displays correctly, pulling the data directly from the Groom_color channel. As you can see, all the colors have transferred perfectly, looking exactly as they did in Cinema 4D. Subscribe and join our Discord channel for news and more tutorials. See you in the next one.